Yow, 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 yow. Uh-huh, uh-huh.
EA Sports. It's in the game.
Hi, everybody. Along with Ray Ferraro down at ice level, my name is James Cybulski. International showdown here tonight. Does the environment change when you're playing nationally as opposed to a club?
100% it does, because it's a little bit different. You're not usually with regular teammates, so everything feels a little bit different, but you are playing for your country.
Setters glide into position for the opening draw. Well, the hype for this one has been off the hook. Puck is dropped. Let's see if this one actually lives up to it. Puck picked up by Vatanen. Here's a shot, and there's the save. Taken along the wall by Mata.
Rask has taken over the goaltending position in Boston for some time now. That's a really nice save.
Right out in front, and that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Turns it away.
Somehow the shooter got loose in the slot, but the goaltender's equal to the task. That's a good save.
Blast from the blue line, and comes up empty.
Yeah, he's going to have to adjust the sights on that one. That thing's off target by a long way.
Denies him on the play.
You put this kind of pressure on, eventually they can't chase you anymore. Now he's got room to carry the puck.
Moves it to Backstrom. Slides it quickly to Laine. Finland's moving it into the offensive end. Went for the dirty dangle, and it goes sideways.
We used to call this the tic-tac kaboom. Nice move, but all of a sudden you don't have the puck.
Team Sweden's got it now. Moves it quickly over to Laine. Team Finland's on the attack. Quick feed to Granlund. And he slides it quickly to Ristolainen. And that one's broken up. Sends it over to Landeskog. Here he is in close. Taken by Zibanejad. And he comes up with it. Scooped up along the wall by Ekman Larsson. Wrists one. Big-time save with the blocker. Lowers the boom with that hit. Sweden's playing it from the side. Huge play in his own end to come up with the puck. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Great read to break up the play. Along the half wall with the puck. Takes the feed. They've got the defense outnumbered. Takes a shot. Nice save by the keeper to trap that puck in his chest. Koivu's won the draw here in the offensive zone. Oh, a clutch save! Carries it in. Oh, you could feel that from up here. Oh, the poke check. What a read by the goaltender. Finland's gained possession. Koivu's got it against the boards. Passes right to the front. Quick feed down low. Here's a short pass to Honka. Moves it around along the half wall. Fires it. Oh, lightning quick reflexes on the one-timer. Quick pass to Silverberg. On the attack along the boards. Looking to make something happen along the boards. And here's a shot. Nice save by the keeper to trap that puck to his chest.
I want to go back to that chance we had just a moment ago. The goalie reads the play well, makes a great save on a really good scoring chance.
Komarov's won the faceoff. Picks it off in the offensive end. Through the offensive zone and behind the net now. Locks it down with a stop. I think he got a blocker on that one. Team Finland's got the puck along the boards. Taken down, and the officials caught it. Moves the puck. And the goaltender gets to the bench for the extra attacker. And a great save. Let's get the official decision. Backlund's going to the box for tripping. Played with fire, he got burned, Ray.
He's digging around for the puck, and sometimes you just get caught. This time the player goes down, and he's got to go to the box.
Finland's man advantage unit will take to the ice for the first time tonight.
It's their first power play of the game. What a great chance to break this scoreless tie. Start with a face-off win. Get the puck to the point and start moving it around before you attack the net. Have a clear plan.
Feeds the puck over to Rantanen. Team Finland's got control of it now here in the offensive end. Makes the save. Puck is dropped and we are back underway. Whistle blown as a few players go ducking for cover on the bench. Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Comes up with the stop. Gets it out of his own end. Finland's gained possession along the boards. Mata's moving the puck through his own zone. Moves it to Barkov and makes the save. Trying to clear from the defensive zone. And they get it down.
Good communication. They talk to each other. They're in the right spot. They just clear it down the ice.
And he sends it across to Barkov. Takes the feed up ahead. Carries it across the line. Takes the feed at the point. Shot deflected in front. Trying to get it out of danger. Finally, Ray.
Yeah, they do get it down the ice. I thought they held their structure pretty good. They tried to clear the puck a couple times. Couldn't get it out. Now they're exhausted. Finally, they can get a change.
And I think he's seen enough because he stops the play by covering up the puck.
Oh, guys are going to be bent over trying to gasp for breath. They'll be in favor of that move.
Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Wrist shot from the slot. Denies him! Scores! All over the rebound, and he puts it in.
Followed through to the net. He picks up this rebound, makes no mistake. Once the goalie leaves the puck in front of the net, the goalie's at your mercy, and he does not miss.
Team Finland's got the game's first goal. How much of a difference does that make?
Completely change your mindset, even with lots of time left. You can be more aggressive with the comfort that you have a 1-0 lead.
Scored by number 29, Patrick Ryder.
With possession along the wall.
Yes, Harry Pilkiniemi.
Nice pass. Blocker save.
Time of the goal, 9 minutes, 7 seconds.
Finland's up here in the first, and they could easily be up by more based on what they've done offensively. Komarov won the face-off deep inside the offensive zone. Knocked away. Quick pass across to Carlson. Good use of the body to knock them off the puck. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Backstrom's going to play it against the half wall. Moves it quickly over to Dahlin. Quick shot. Turns it aside with the save. Team Finland's capitalized on their offensive abilities here in this first period. Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. Quick feed to Forsberg. Takes the feed. And a beautiful stop by the glove. James and Ray with you tonight. More than half the period has been played. We've got a 1-0 hockey game thus far. And a solid job tying up his opponent. Receives the pass. And now it's grabbed by Koivu. And that one's turned away. Finland still got time here in this first period to increase this lead. Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Makes a save, cool and calm under pressure. Team Finland's up here in the first, and they could easily be up by more based on what they've done offensively. Backlund's won the draw deep in the defensive zone. Puck scooped up by Silverberg. Here's an odd man rush. Maintains possession. A spirited battle along the boards for the puck. And he gains the zone here. Back to the blue line. Here's a short pass to Filppula. Misses the net. Oh!
That's frustrating. You get yourself into position. You don't get many of these chances a game, and he doesn't get it on net.
Finland's got the puck in their own end. Sends the pass over. Quick pass to Aho. Aho's got it in the offensive zone. Honk has got the puck. He says, let's get physical on that play. That's a solid hit. Denies him in front.
Nice move by the goalie to get out close to the shooter. Team Sweden's focus is to be the most physical team in this game. They have been on the front foot physically, but they're trailing. They're going to have the puck a little more.
Team Finland's capitalized on their offensive abilities here in this first period. Good read by the winger as the two centers tie up. Steen's got it across the line. Slides the puck over. Oh, denies him with the save. I think he got the blocker on it.
Dead center, excellent save.
With some momentum driving towards the net. Moves it to Ristolainen. Moves the puck along the half wall. Puts it up front. Takes a shot. Misses wide of the net.
You kick yourself in the tail after you miss a chance like this. Has to be on the net. Laine's dangerous, and he's got the puck now. He had the go-ahead goal earlier on.
Sends a pass over. From against the wall, it's centered out. Shuts him down. Team Sweden's got a hold of it along the wall. And he elects to play the puck. Moves it quickly over to Klingberg. Zibanejad's got it along the wing. Here's a chance right in the slot. Way too much congestion blocks that. Laine's got it into offensive territory. Now a quick pass to Granlund. And now he moves it quickly to Lindell. Takes the pass, he banks it off the wall. Scores!
They score back-to-back goals. They stay aggressive after getting the first one. They tack another one on here. Wow, this is like a practice drill here, James. He's so open in the high slot. The pass is on the shooting spot, and he just hammers it home.
Finland's found themselves in the driver's seat now with a 2-goal lead. Nice offensive start.
Really good start, really quick. Now you've got the other team scrambling around. But there's too much time left in the game to sit back and try to defend it. Be aggressive.
And it's a quick pass to Ekman Larsson. Here's a chance with the stop. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Grabbed along the boards by Pettersson. Right in the slot, just wide of the net. Rask's on top of that one for a whistle.
A little bit of traffic starting to form around the net.
Team Finland's got the lead here late in this first period. And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone. With the blast! Big time stop there. Denies him again!
Really sharp, never loses sight of the puck to make the second save. Hobbling his way over to the bench after being banged up on this last shift. He's going to need some help from the training staff.
And he slides it quickly to Granlund. Looks to set up at the point now. Oh, they telegraphed the pass, and he picks it off.
It's not even being cautious. Just be smart with the puck.
Finland's looking to break out of their own end. And here's the pass to Barkov. Along the half wall with the puck. And now it's over to Vatanen. Couldn't catch up to that pass. Landeskog's got it against the boards. Team Finland's got the puck inside the defensive zone. Takes it across the blue line. Quick feed to Heiskanen. Handles the puck. Fires it on net, and that's blocked away. Quick feed to Eriksson. Centered out in front. On the backhand, stick save from the goaltender. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Rantanen. Pushes it across to Ekman Larsson. Moves it around along the half wall. And that's broken up. Komarov stick handling in his own zone. On the attack along the boards. Move to the middle. Just can't complete that pass.
Oh, he's got the right play in mind. He just doesn't execute the final pass.
Quick pass over to Lindholm. Oh, what a stop! And another stop!
Oh, he reads the play really well to get out and aggressive to make that save. Forsberg's been in some discomfort since he took this hit. A clean hit right through the body. Forsberg's not going to be able to go here. He's headed down the tunnel with a little bit of hitch in his giddy-up. That's some kind of leg injury.
We'll try to get you an update as soon as possible on his status for the rest of the game. Off the trot, he ties up his opponent. Slides the pass over to Filppula. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Jostles for the puck, but still hangs on. And now he moves it to Nylander. Takes the feed at the back end. From the point, makes the save! Finland's execution has been on point so far here in this first period. Back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. Shot, and he rings the post!
Sweden's only looking for something to go right. Get themselves back in this contest. But this hits the goalpost, and the score remains unchanged.
Team Finland's been the better team here in this first period. More shots and more goals. Just a better all-around execution. Off the draw, and a nice job locking up his opponent. That's the horn, and 20 minutes is all said and done with here for period number 1. Well, that's how you start a game. 20 minutes in the books, and it's already 2-0.
Hey, hockey fans, follow the team all season long on the radio for every minute of play-by-play action, both home and away. Or listen to the online simulcast at home or on your smartphone.
Both teams heading down the tunnels. We'll take a quick breath ourselves and be back for the second period. second period set to get underway. Here we go, middle frame now underway as the puck drops. Well, this one underway. Ray, give us an update on what your assessment is to this point.
Leonard's had lots of pad taps in that first period, James. I don't know what the score might look like if he wasn't so good.
And now he angles it across to Carlson. Oh, fantastic save! Lightning quick reflexes. Over the line they come. Puts it on goal. Great glove save!
Rask's been perfect so far. He's kind of doing this all by himself. So busy, and he's been phenomenal tonight.
Lots of time left in this period. 2-0 is where we sit. And momentum on their side as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Right on the doorstep. Here's a short pass to Barkov. Strong defensive effort. Sweden's got a hold of the puck. Team Sweden's in now. Quick pass to Carlson. Comes up with the stop. Finland's got the lead here early in this second period. Their offense has been clicking on all cylinders thus far. Offensive zone face-off, and he wins the draw. Denied by the goaltender. Pedersen's won the draw. Here he is from the slot. Stick save for the goalie. Handles the puck at the point. Moves it to Ekman Larsson. Picks off the pass. Kotkaniemi's got it on the offensive end. With possession along the wall. Back to the point it goes. And now he tries to get it across to Kotkaniemi. Puts it on net. Puts it just wide.
He's looking to put that just inside the post. Just misses.
Takes the pass. Here's a shot with the stop.
Now we'll get a look back at the period here. And what the one standout is how physically these two rivals have played each other.
Good job tangling up his opponent here. Moves it quickly over to Aho. Here's a chance. Sends it over. And he slides it quickly to Honka. Here's a pass down low. Leonard's got the puck in his own zone. Lots of hockey left to be played in this period. And it's a comfortable 2-0 lead we're looking at right now. Backlund's won a big draw on their own end. Now a quick pass to Silverberg. Directed over to Eriksson. Puts a little mustard on the hit to knock the puck loose. And now he moves it quickly to Dahlin. Good defensive effort to poke it away. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Keeps a hold of the puck. What a great read, breaking up the pass. Takes the feed at center from the right wing. Honka's going to play it against the half wall. Great positioning in the defensive end. Nice poke check inside the attacking zone. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. Silverberg's got the puck. Centering pass. Wrist shot from the slot. Stopped by the goaltender.
Aggressive stop out on top of the crease to make the save on a dangerous chance.
Picked up along the wall by Komarov. Takes it from the right side. Aho's got it in the offensive zone. Quick feed to Komarov. Lets it fly. Big time glove save. And it's a quick pass to Steen. Here they are on the attack. Passes it over to Donskoy. Oh, what a glove save.
Flashes the leather. Right in the slot on a difficult chance.
Inching closer to the midway mark of the period. 2-0 is the score. Backstrom's won the draw here in the offensive zone. Blocked in traffic. And he slides it quickly to Granlund. Team Finland's got the puck against the half wall. Reads it perfectly, breaking up the play.
Really nice play, but that turnover shouldn't happen. They've got the lead, a little safer with the puck.
Here's a short pass to Hedman. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Big stop by the keeper.
Really good stop. After he made the first one, he's got to find the puck, and he's in position again.
Sweden's had a lot of good looks on net, but they continue to trail here in the second. Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Quick pass to Ekman Larsson. Finland's got control of it now from their own end. Comes up with the steal. Moves it to Ekman Larsson. Here they come on the attack. Good hit. Oh, had a chance to make a nice move, and the puck disagreed with him.
He looks like he's got a step, and then the puck just trickles off it.
He scores! Big-time moment for Rickard Rakell.
He's probably got about 2 seconds from the time that puck's delivered to find it. He can't see it, so he drops into the butterfly and hopes it hits him.
Team Sweden's got new life here in this second period, Ray.
It's amazing what a goal does. The energy on the bench changes. Guys can't wait to get on for their next shift.
Puck grab by Ekman Larsson. Moves it quickly over to Ekman Larsson. Moves the puck along the half wall. Move to the middle. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Sends it quickly to Granlund. Line Ace got it along the wing. Takes a shot and makes the save. Plenty of playing time left in this frame. Sweden still down a goal here, but they have really picked up the tempo these last few minutes. Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. That was a good-looking chance, but he turned it away. And he slides it quickly to Zibanejad. Here's a shot. Gets in front of it. Team Sweden's been the busier team offensively with way more shots on goal, but they still trail in the second. Center's jammed up and the winger grabs the puck. Donskoy swooping in on the attack. Lugs the puck into the corner of the offensive zone. Straight up the middle. Here they come. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Now a quick pass to Klingberg. That's intercepted. They've got numbers. Oh, I think he wants that one back.
Didn't miss it by much. He gets lots on it, beats the goaltender, but just wide.
Along the half wall with the puck. Quick feed to Steen. Gets a glove on it to make the stop. Sweden's look good offensively to this point, but they continue to trail here in the second. Barkov's won it in their own end. Here's a short pass to Honka. Rantanen's moving it ahead. Puck picked up by Eriksson. Takes a whack, but still hangs on. Eriksson's got it against the boards. Pokes it away in his own end. Into the offensive end now. Takes a couple of knocks and loses control. And now he moves it quickly to Heiskanen. And he makes the save. Team Sweden's had a lot of good looks on net, but they continue to trail here in the second. The frozen biscuits dropped, and we are back underway here. Taken by Carlson. And he regains control of the puck. Takes the feed. And it's a quick pass to Carlson. Too much congestion blocks the shot. And he slides it quickly to Carlson. Sends it down low. Here inside the offensive end, takes the feed from along the boards. And he slides it quickly to Ekman Larsson. Moves the puck. Quick pass to Landeskog. Stopped by the goaltender.
Yeah, it's a sharp save, James. Right in the middle of the ice, he makes the stop and pushes it away.
Past the halfway mark of this period, it's 2-1. Backstrom's won the face-off deep inside the offensive zone. There's another stop.
Certain saves are more difficult than others. This one right from the slot is turned aside.
Huge steal in his own end.
It's hard not to take a chance when you're behind in the game. He turns that puck over, trying to make something out of nothing.
Hammers one. Another stop by the goaltender.
No time to take a breath. He made that first stop, and then the puck turns around on him again.
Sweden's been the busier team offensively with way more shots on goal, but they still trail in the second. And a solid job tying up his opponent. Nylander's carrying it ahead. Denied by the goaltender.
That's a good save there, James. It looks rather simple, but he gets the puck into the corner. No danger.
Moves the puck into the attacking area. And now it's over to Honka. Big hit. Just a simple save by Leonard. Now a quick pass to Raquel. Moves it around along the half wall. And now he moves it quickly to Dahlin. Referee signals penalty coming up here with a delayed call. And the official stops the play as somebody's off to the sin bin. Officials calling charging. You agree with the call?
I do, and in particular when a player goes that far to make the hit and doesn't really slow down, it becomes a dangerous play.
Power play unit comes out for the face-off.
Well, what a great opportunity for them here. Trailing by a goal, you got a chance to even it up, and you've got the man advantage.
Takes that pass back at the point. Lets it go. He scores!
Well, they've been hoping that the extra work they've done on the power play would help them capitalize. They do a nice job there. He didn't have much room up over the glove, but as soon as the goalie dropped into the butterfly, there was enough for him to put it into the top bin.
More than half the frame has been played here. It's all tied up. Puck is dropped and we are back underway. Moves it to Steen. On the attack along the boards. Solid check to slow him down. Through center along the wing. And that one's broken up. Works it across to Landeskog. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Carlson's going to play it from the back of the cage. Move to the middle, and he can't find his man. Landeskog's got it along the boards. Centering pass, and that one's blocked. Tries to feed it over to Rantanen. Into the offensive zone. Moves it quickly over to Mata. Lets it rip, turns it away on the slap shot. Late goings of this period. You can feel the energy in this crowd. It's a tie game. Puck is dropped and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. Quick feed to Lindholm. Team Finland's got control of the puck. Stones up with the blocker. Backlund's won it off the faceoff. Nice pass. Now he takes it over the line. Takes the feed. And the traffic jam in front blocks the shot. And it's a quick pass to Hedman. With possession along the wall. Great defensive effort breaking up the pass. Shot! Makes the save. What a reaction with the blocker. And he slides it quickly to Eriksson. Ericsson's going to play it against the half wall. Receives the pass. Shot, that's turned aside from the blocker.
There's always a next level to making a save. Step 2 is get the puck out of danger. He does a nice job there.
Moves the puck along the half wall. Dishes it to Aho. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Here's a short pass to Koivu. Koivu's got the puck. Here's a chance out front. Moves with the puck at the corner. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Heiskanen. Slides the puck down low. Uses the force on that hit. Carries it in. Quick pass to Klingberg. Tees off. Oh, what a beautiful glove save.
He ran right through him on that hit. Lined him up. Timed it perfectly.
Just here in the late stages of this frame, we got a tie game. Off the draw, and he ties up his opponent. Quick shot. Oh, and comes up with nothing on the play. Knocked away. And now he moves it to Filppula. And he slides it quickly to Aho. Sent into the opposite side. Team Sweden's got a hold of it against the wall. Carries it across the line. And now he angles it across to Nylander. Second intermission approaching quickly here. Wrist shot from the slot. Gives them nothing in front. Picked up along the boards by Lindholm. Gaining momentum up along the side. Now a quick pass to Raquel. Takes a shot. Gets a glove on it to make the save.
He clearly thought he had room to get by, but it got closed off in a hurry. He took a big hit there.
Good read by the winger as the two centers tie up. Barkov's picking up steam. Sends the pass over. We got a penalty coming up here on the play. Blast from the blue line. And somehow he got a piece of that one. And that'll do it for 40 minutes in the books. We are still tied at 2.
It's time to support those around us with our monthly food drive. Bring 3 non-perishable food items, and you can receive a free team poster.
Don't go anywhere. The third period is just moments away. Finland special teams set to go to work here on the power play. And now he tries to get it across to Carlson. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. And the puck skips away after that move.
He's got good hands, but I think he overdoes it a bit here. Now he doesn't have the puck anymore.
Up along the wing. Saucer pass. Winds up, lets it go. And he might have a step here. He's in, all alone. On the doorstep. Moves the puck across to Rantanen. Takes it across the blue line. Puts it on net, and that one's stopped. Moves it to Carlson. Tries to get it out of the zone. And they get it out of the zone, and where are they headed to, Ray?
Time for a change. Everyone needs a little break here. They looked a little tired. They get it out of the zone, and they can get some fresh troops on the ice.
Slides the puck near the front of the net. And the PK unit keeps them in there. Impressive kill, keeping this one tied.
Really good pressure by the penalty killers there to keep this game tied. They tie up the power play in pretty nice fashion there.
And now he moves it quickly to Granlund. Granlund's got it in the offensive zone. Feeds the puck to Kotkaniemi. Sends the pass down low. Centering pass, and they can't connect. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Takes it from the other side of the blue line. Great save by the goaltender to get a pad on that one. Keeping the puck out of the net. Slides it across to Steen. They've got the defense outnumbered. A chance on goal. It's in the back of the net. We're being called off immediately here.
Yeah, goalie interference, James. The ref has waved this off immediately. The goaltender didn't like this immediately. It went past him. He looked right at the official.
Well, nobody likes having a goal called back, but they'll just have to play on as the puck's about to drop. Pedersen's won it, and now it's grabbed by Dahlin. Back at the point, they set it up, and it's a quick pass to Dahlin. Raquel's got it along the wing. Puts it on net. That one's off the blocker. Still early on in this frame, James and Ray with you. So glad you could join us. The next goal could be a big one as we are tied. Off the draw, and a nice job locking up his opponent. And he gains the zone here. Into the corner. And he slides it quickly to Ristolainen. Puck scooped up by Aho. Huge stick save by the goaltender.
And he came out and challenged him. Good save.
Raquel's got it across the line. Stays with it. And now it's over to Hedman. Fires a one-timer. Just wide. Along the wing up the neutral zone. He almost lost it for a second there, but regains control of the puck. Wide.
Wide. That's an understatement.
Puck grabbed by Hedman. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Nylander. Here's an odd man rush. Here's the pass. Stopped by the goaltender. Still lots of time left here in this frame. We are all tied up in this one. Puck is dropped and we are back underway. Teravainen's got the puck along the wing. Pass back to the point. Great heads-up play in the defensive zone. They've got numbers. It's a 2-on-1. Team Finland's got the puck. Back on a stick now. Sends it deep inside the offensive zone. Sweden's got the puck along the boards. Slides the puck over. Here's a chance. Sends it across. And that one's broken up by a great defensive play. Picks it off. They go back on the attack. And he slides it quickly to Lindholm. Oh, he gets a blocker on it. What a reaction. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Good heads-up play in the defensive zone. Maintains possession of the puck along the blue line. And that goes off a player in front. Finland's got the puck along the wall. Oh, and they go back on offense. Stick save.
High-quality chance, high-quality save.
Back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. Stopped by the goaltender. Moves it quickly over to Landeskog. Oh, they telegraph the pass, and he picks it off. Quick feed to Backstrom. Backstrom's got it into offensive territory. Moved into the middle, takes a shot, gobbles that puck up with his chest. And there's the whistle stopping the play.
Now we'll get another look at this. That's a good shot, but the goalie's gets the blocker up to make the save.
Nearing the midway mark of the period. It's all tied up. And momentum on their side as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. And the puck stopper jumps on top of it to get a stoppage in play. Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. Moves it ahead from off the wall. Team Finland's got the puck inside the defensive zone. And there's the save. Puck sent across the blue line. There's the collision. Offside the call, and we'll have a face-off just outside the blue line.
I need to take another look at that. I thought there was room to get by. Clearly, I was wrong. I'm glad I don't have to take the hit he just took.
Pettersson's won possession. Over the line they come. Sends a pass over. He scores! They take the lead.
Well, it looked like this game was going to be even for the longest time because nobody seemed to have the upper hand. He made a big move here on this shot, but there's so much traffic, James. I think he's better off just trying to drop into the butterfly and spread out as best as he can.
Team Sweden's breathing a bit easier now here, coming up with a big goal in this third period.
Their bench was pretty excited when that goal went into the net. Now they'll want to continue to be aggressive and don't let their opponent start to dictate the pace.
Sweden's looking to break out of their own end. Handles the puck. Into the offensive end now. He grabs the puck here at the point. Takes the pass. Oh, and a heads-up play to poke it away. Here's a short pass to Pettersson. Holds the puck at the line. Grabs the puck in the corner. That goes off the twig.
Now, by being in the right position, James, he gets so tight to the shooter, there's nowhere for the puck to go.
Slides it to Hedman. Takes the feed. Passes on over to Steen. Read it perfectly and breaks up the play. Granlund's got it on the offensive end. Sweden's going to play the puck from behind the cage. Here they are on the attack. Takes that one right in the logo. And there's the whistle, giving him a chance to exhale. More than half the period has gone by. Hope you're enjoying this one. Team Sweden's got a one-goal lead. Sabinajad's won the draw. Stopped by the goaltender. Ref's arm goes up in the air. Looks like we got a hooking call coming up. Here comes the call. Heiskanen's getting two for hooking.
It doesn't take very long to get on the wrong side of the play. You're a step behind. You've got to slow that guy down. You can't catch him. Maybe you can get away with a hook. Not here.
Just tried to play catch-up and got burned. Another special teams opportunity for both sides as the man advantage unit is back to work again.
Here's another power play for them, James. They've already scored on the power play tonight, so they must have some pretty good feel for it. They also have to be aware the penalty killers will adjust. They will have to too.
Sweden's attempt to put more pucks on net has paid off as they lead it in the third. Backstrom's won the draw here in the offensive zone. Puck picked up by Silverberg. Finland's penalty killers get a hold of it. From the right wing, he moves it to the middle. That's a solid check on the play. And he gets the puck right back. And now he moves it to Eriksson. And there's the save. Save made by the goalie.
Quick reflexes. You make one, you make two stops. before the puck is cleared away. Lindholm's able to get everything behind this hit. He really lays one on here.
Team Sweden's been the better team tonight. They have turned good defense into solid offense, and they lead here in the third. And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone. Here they come on the attack. Takes the shot. Big time stop. Gets a blocker on it. Eriksson's got it along the boards. Centering pass. Takes a wrist shot, and that's a paddling from the goaltender.
He's sharp on this one. Out on top of the crease aggressively to make the save.
Quick pass to Kotkaniemi, and he comes up with it. Now a quick pass to Vatanen. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Solid shorthanded performance there as both teams are now back to even strength.
Good work by the Killers here. They give themselves an opportunity, as giving up another one would be almost a death blow.
And as he opts to freeze the puck, we get a whistle.
Starting to look like a little bit of a fire drill in the zone, so this is a good play. That's going to rattle your molars around there. That is an enormous hit that he took.
Well past the midway mark of this period, 3-2 is where we sit in what has been a tightly contested affair. Offense's own face-off, and he wins the draw. And that goes off a player. Scores! Mika Zibanejad puts it in.
That's a scorer's goal right there. That puck is on and off his stick in a hurry. He's so tight to the net, he has to get rid of it before the goalie can readjust.
Sweden's latest goal now gives them a 2-goal lead here with just minutes remaining in this third.
It's a good place to be as you get into the last half of the period, but you want to melt these minutes away by playing aggressively.
Team Finland's got a hold of it along the wall. Makes the save.
He's sharp on that one. Nowhere to go for the puck.
Moves it to Zibanejad. Great glove save! This is a face-off they'll definitely want to win here inside the offensive zone. Komarov won the draw deep in the defensive zone. Lets it go. That goes wide. Getting a little physical out there, but still holds on to the puck. Along the half wall with the puck. And someone's going off here as the ref's hand goes high in the air. Let's see the call here. Officials calling tripping here on this one.
This was the penalty I think when I took, I was most angry at myself, because you're not trying to do it, and then all of a sudden you see the guy go down and you're just like, oh man, here I go.
There's the result. Another chance here on the man advantage.
If you can find a way to get a power play goal here, you can change the momentum of this game. They haven't got one yet tonight, and you find yourself starting to press when you don't score.
And now he moves it quickly to Granlund. One-time blast. Beat the goaltender, but couldn't beat the post.
Finland's not able to close the gap. They have an excellent chance that hits the pipe, and it runs away.
An easy save by Rask. Lindell's lugging the puck. Moves the puck. Rantanen's got it against the boards. On the backhand. Stopped by the goaltender.
Sometimes you're in close, there's no room to put it anywhere. The goalie smothered it all.
Finland's gained possession along the boards. Barkov swooping in on the attack. Right up front. And he was slowed up. Hooking looks to be the call as the official's arm goes up in the air. There's the whistle. Let's get the official decision. Hooking the call and maybe a little sell job along the way.
A little bit, but the player's got to move his feet. As soon as you stop, if it's even close, you're going to get nabbed.
Not a lot of time to work, but they still have a 5-on-3.
Well, it hasn't been a very good power play for them tonight, but they've got a chance here, given another one, to get themselves turned around.
Great use of the body to knock him off the puck. And manages to clear the zone. Grabs the puck and moves on out here with this man advantage. Slides it over with pace to Granlund. And it's a quick pass to Mata. Nice pass. Great save by the goaltender on that one. Gets it out of his own end. Slides it diagonally to Granlund. And he slides it quickly to Mata. Picked off in the open ice. That's broken up in the neutral zone. Trying to shake off the defender. And that just falls apart.
No way to recover from that. That's a good-looking play that leads to nothing.
Team Sweden's been the better team offensively tonight. A lot of scoring chances, and they lead it late in this third period. Zibanejad's won it in their own end. Sweden's got a hold of it against the wall and manages to clear the zone. Team Finland's got control of it now from their own end. Moves it quickly over to Ristolainen. Moves it around along the half wall. And he slides it quickly to Barkov. Moves it over to Rantanen. Carlson's penalty has expired.
Well, back to even strength. The penalty killers do a really good job.
Gloves are off. We got a challenge. They're going to go.
Yeah, he's not going to have a choice here. He's been running around a little bit, been getting a little chippy, and now he's going to have to drop the mitts and answer for it.
You know, the one thing I've learned about the history of sports, rivalries sell, case in point.
And whatever spills over from the last game or a game 5 games ago, you never know when it's going to spark. Things got pretty quiet here when the decision was pretty clearly to the road team.
Time for the power play unit to get back to work. Approaching the final minute. He scores! The Tampere Terror! Patrick Laine!
Well, they were all over the place with the extra attacker on the ice. Finally, they cashed through, punch one in.
Come back with a big one here in the third.
Grind away, dig away, now you got a chance. Only trailing by 1 goal.
This neutral zone face-off set to go, and we are back underway. And that's broken up with a stick in front. He's got a step on the doorstep and can't convert.
Can't convert, James. He doesn't even get a shot. He might as well dump it in the corner and keep the forecheck going.
Slides it quickly to Aho. On the attack along the boards. Quick feed to Koivu. The sense of urgency has really set in. They pulled the goalie. The extra attacker's out. And that goes wide.
Sometimes you're so focused on shooting it quickly, you don't get it on the net.
Great heads-up play by the defender.
They're trying to close the gap here. It's a
wide open net. Off target. Taken by Heiskanen. Slides it up to Koivu. Shot comes up with the stop. Team Sweden's not far from the finish line here as they lead it late in this third. And a solid job tying up his opponent. Carlson's got it in the defensive end. Tries to make a move and can't hang on to the puck. Centering pass! And that's picked off in front. That's it. There's the final horn to close this one up. Ray, more shots generally translates to more scoring opportunities. In this case, more goals.
You need the finish at the end of the day, but if you have more shots, a lot of people feel that's a really good marker for the game. More territorial play in the offensive zone.
For Ray Ferraro, my name is James Cybulski. Thanks so much for joining us, everybody. Have a great night.